Coffee muna. Kahit 2 sips lang. Oh. Power. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Rizza, and in light with Women's Month, today's video is a get ready with me video, pero ang gagamitin ko lang products are women-led and local products. So I'll be using skincare and makeup today. I am getting ready because I am about to hop on a call with Angeli Dub for her podcast called Life in Progress. I am really excited to meet her kasi I have been following her on Instagram for so long already, and she reached out to me na, hey, do you want to do a podcast with me? And of course, yes, syempre. So she's the CEO of Access Travel, tapos nung nag-pandemic, she transitioned into Bulilit Kitchen, tapos her family also owns Happy Lab, which sells kombucha and mga adaptogens and stuff. So I'm so excited to meet her. But before we start with the Get Ready With Me video, ay pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga suot ko. This is also local and women-led. Ayan. For my dress, this is by Miss Mary. It's owned by my good friend, Mary. Mary with an E on Instagram. And it's a linen dress. Actually, sobrang, ano to, very much uniform ko na to. Kumbaga sa business, naka ilang ROI na to sa akin. Sinuot ko na to sa ilang speaking engagements, mga features, TV features, etc. and interviews. Tas almost lagi ko rin siyang suot. And ganda pa rin ang quality. So, local and women-led. And for my necklace, this is by Ala PH. Alam nyo na yun, one of my business babies. Ang design is my dog bag net. Ayan, so you can go ahead and visit www.talaala.ph so you can go ahead and customize your own necklaces. On my right is my coffee. Ang aga, hindi pa nagpa-function. I still cannot function without coffee, so I am drinking a coffee in a mug na ang ganda-ganda ng message saying empowered women empower women. So for this mug design, it's a collaboration of my two good friends, Janine Bustos of Morena the Label and Ideology Studio. She's also one half of Camp Confidence Radio, a TikTokerist, a TikTok superstar, and Soothe Bongalosa. She's also one of my internet friends turned good friends from remote.ceo. She talks about freelancing and being a girl boss at home and slaying it. So yeah, coffee muna. Kahit 2 sips lang before we dive right in. So for skincare, kaka-workout ko lang. So I used a cleanser today. I usually don't use a cleanser, pero kapag yun nga, nag-workout ako or nag-yoga ako, I need to cleanse my skin as well para sa sweat and stuff. So here, I'm using the Lana PH Gentle Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. And if hindi nyo pa alam, ako po yung may-ari ng Lana PH. And this is my first business baby. Not technically first, but ito, sa mga brands ko ngayon, ito yung ito yung eldest sa brands namin ngayon. So, I used this. Di na natin gagamitin ngayon kasi ginamit ko na siya kanina. And then, I go in with a toner. I will be using Sage and Tera Aftermask. Well, it's supposed to be an aftermask, but I also use this as a toner sometimes. It's calming and rebalancing. It has hibiscus, calendula, pure coconut water, vanilla bean extract, chamomile, and witch hazel, which is also good for toning. Hindi ko kilala yung may-ari nito, pero female din siya. Lagay ko na lang yung link niya below kung mahanap ko. So, let's go right in. Gusto ko yung mga spray toners kasi hindi ko na kailangan ng cotton pads and mabilis lang siyang gamitin. Let's just try to Spread it and pat it on our face and neck. Next, I am going right into the serum or essence. I am using the Lana DNA Repair Elixir. I use this day and night. Nakita nyo na to all the time sa lahat ng mga skincare and get ready with me videos ko. Pero sa mga bago dito, it has Centella asiatica, niacinamide, and collagen. It's very lightweight. I use it day and night. 2 pumps for me is for the face and neck na. Pansin nyo rin na nasa new glass bottles na siya. Dati dropper tayo. Kwento ka lang na sobrang pinaghirapan namin yung mga boteng yan. Pinag-ipunan, iniyakan. Pero it's all worth it. It's all for you. Yan. Tuyo na siya. And then, I'm going in with my vitamin C of the day. I am using Breathe Beauty. I am using Breathe Beauty and Quench. It's hydrating and brightening naman. This has vitamin C. This is by my good friend Steffi as well. Kapitbahay ko siya sa bazaar. Wait lang, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ang cool ng packaging niya. So, ganyan siya. Tapos when you twist it, bongga. Ayan. So, I use 1 pump of this. Si Steffi, yung may-ari ng Breathe Beauty. Kasabay ko siya sa bazaar before. Oh my gosh, how I miss bazaars. And syempre, kapag kunwari walang mga tao, chika-chika, ganyan. Tapos, wala lang. Kaya yung mga kasama namin sa bazaar, almost close na rin kami lahat. Tapos nakakatuwa kasi meron akong mga nakakausap about business concerns and stuff. Kasi dati ako, naalala ko, nung nag-start pa lang kami ni Josh sa business, wala kaming matanungan, wala kaming kaibigan, wala kaming kaibigan ng mga negosyante. So, talagang lahat ginugoogle namin, lahat ni-YouTube namin. Tapos madalas, lahat ng mga nag-google namin mali. So, natututo lang kami sa mistakes namin. Ayun. Actually, ngayon, with the advent of social media and stuff, na meron na rin kaming mga nakilala, tsaka kapag nag-a-attend kami ng mga seminars nung normal pa yung mundo. Kaya, if you are starting out a business, networking, hindi yung MLM, networking and making business friends is really important kasi nakakapagtanong ka, nakakapag-share ka ng mga concerns mo about business. And then, I will be going in with the moisturizer. I am using this Happy Skin Hyaluronic Plus B3 Boost Water Cream ng Happy Skin. So, Happy Skin naman tayo. Very OG din yung mga CEO, yung mga may-ari nito. The owners are Jack Gutierrez and Rizza Lana. These are very, very classy women. I follow them on Instagram and nakaka-message ko na rin sila. Rizza is a very, very accommodating person. She's also, ang cute-cute din ng family niya. If you don't follow her yet, you should. She is also an author and she's super humble. Grabe. Very, very classy woman. Tapos, si Jack Gutierrez naman, nakaka-DM ko na rin to sa Instagram. I hope to meet them one day. Kasi both sila, hindi ko pa na-meet in person. And, nakakatuwa din talaga si Jack kasi I know how busy she is. She currently has 3 brands from what I know. She is the CEO of Happy Skin, BLK, and Soul White Korea. And nakakatuwa kasi may time pa rin siyang mag-reply sa akin. And nakakatuwa kasi she freely gives me advice as well. Minsan tinatanong ko siya ng mga business questions and she doesn't mind. Thank you again. I appreciate you, Jack and Rizza. So, ayan. Favorite ko to. Maubos ko na siya. So, that's the moisturizer I use in the morning. Tapos, we are going in with Lana PH Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock. Nakita nyo na rin to several times, but look, and appreciate that pretty packaging. Ayun. Tsaka by the way pala, huwag kayong mahihiyang mag-message at magtanong all the time. Kasi, there are chances na makakakuha din talaga kayo ng replies. Tsaka, hindi nyo makakain yung hiya nyo. Hindi nyo makukuha, hindi nyo malalaman ang mga sagot sa mga katanungan nyo. Kung in the first place, di kayo magtatanong at hindi kayo mag-reach out to people. It's okay to ask questions. It's okay to sometimes feel dumb. Kasi ako, I admit, I don't know everything in business. So, this is also the reason why I have mentors, I have friends who are in the industry na talagang nire-respect ko din. Tinatanungan ko ng kahit ano kapag nalilito ako or meron akong hindi sure. And that's okay if you are starting out. Huwag ka mahiya. Go ahead and ask questions. And also, sunblock all day, every day, even if you don't go out of the house. And now, we are going in with our makeup. We are done with our skincare, so makeup na tayo. I will be trying this one. It's a new product by Happy Skin. It's called Fresh Morning Dew Cooling Serum Foundation. This is by Happy Skin as well, Rizza, and Jack. Bago to, kaka-receive ko lang nito yesterday. Hashtag not sponsored. I bought this myself. All of the products I used pala today, I bought it myself. Because hashtag support local. I am currently using, ang shade is light beige. This is the first time I'm using this. Ito yung gamit ko. Napaka hindi ko talaga makeup vlogger, no? Hindi dapat dito nilalagay yun eh. Nakikita ko dito nila nilalagay. So, okay, gawin natin yan. In fairness, ang bango niya. It smells good. Tayo sa noo. And friends, disclaimer lang na hindi ako makeup artist or makeup vlogger. This is, I only use this or I only put on makeup honestly kapag may podcast or interview and stuff. Madalas skincare lang ako. Yeah. We are going in with a very light makeup today. But who are we kidding? Lagi naman ako naka-light makeup. Kasi hindi ako marunong. Kung ano lang yung madali sa akin, go lang. Ganda nito. It's very lightweight. Ooh, and I love how it looks very dewy. Pero not sticky at all. I am going in with my contour. Wow, kanwari marunong tayo mag-contour. This is by Sunnies Face naman. I am using a Sunnies Face lipstick and I'm using it as a contour thingy. This is Fluffmate Nudist. Yan. So, I put it here. Ganyan. Hindi ko alam ako. Actually, hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko sa buhay. Pero yan, lagay lang tayo dyan. And of course, Sunnies Face is founded by 3 women as well. Bea Soriano, Martine Cahucom, and Georgina Wilson. Oh my gosh. Isa rin to sa mga OGs. They founded Sunnies 2013. I don't know them personally yet. Wow. Makikilala ko, makaka-DM ko din sila balang araw. Or ma-meet ko din sila balang araw. So there. I also wanna pick their brain actually kasi ang galing-galing nila sa branding. And I love their aesthetic as well. So, yeah. Here, we are just blending it in. Aking panga. at cheeks. Tama ba ginagawa ko? Ayan. Let's pretend tama yung ginagawa ko. Ito palang brush na to is a product by my good friend as well, si Janine Bustos. And follow her on Instagram. I'll also put her links down below. She's a great mama. She's my schoolmate. And dami din niyang products. Link ko na lang lahat ng shops niya below. And now we are going in with my blush. I will be using Happy Skin's Fresh Morning Dew Cooling Color Adapt Stick. Cute ng color. I am using... wala atang shade to. Pero ito yung itsura niya. Let's try to use this. Oh! Galing, magic. It's so cute. It's very pa-sweet. Parang very, very natural, ano lang siya. Blush. Tingin lang ako dito, excuse me. Galing. So, for context, ganyan yung itsura niya. Pero, kapag nilagay mo na, ang cute! And for my lipstick, I will be using Happy Skin as well. Binili ko kasi last time yung buong Fresh Morning Dew collection nila. I just wanna try it. Kasi, wala. Support local, support women-led brands. And yan. Ito, it's a Happy Skin Fresh Morning Dew Cooling Lip and Cheek Tint in Dusk. Let's see. Power. Interesting yung feeling niya. Parang may mint. Parang cheek tint talaga siya, na. Ang cute. It's a good kind of red. Ayan. And now for our highlighter, I will be using Colourette. Ayan. I'll be using a Colourette Highlighter in Tiger's Eye. Of course, the CEO is Nina. Who doesn't know her? Ang galing-galing niya. She has two brands, Colourette and Fresh Formula. It's a skincare brand as well. Alam nyo naman na ang galing-galing ng babaeng to. She is also on TikTok, Instagram, and I love how she really empowers women, body positivity and stuff. And she is an inspiration. Actually, lahat naman ng mga na-mention kong babae dito are inspirations. And you should all go ahead and follow them. So, paano na nga ba ito? Dito na lang ako. Ooh, did I do? Ang bango din ito. Ooh, look at that glow. Lagay din tayo sa... Hindi nga pala ako nag-eyeshadow. Sobrang kulang-kulang ko talaga. Ayan, there we have it. We are done with our makeup today. Thanks so much again for watching. Sending love and light your way. And I will see you on the next one.